Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? I think you are well by the grace of Allah. Dear student, I, Muhammad Jahidur Rahman, Assistant Teacher, Kahalu Gopt Model High School, Kahalu, Bogura. Dear student, welcome to my online class. Today, I am going to share with you on voice. Dear student, you know voice is classified into two. First one, active voice, and second one, passive voice. Dear student, here mention some sentence. First one, I sing a song. And second one, my mother cooks rice. And last one, we play football. Here mention three sentences. Now I will discuss with you how to change a sentence from active to passive. From active to passive. To make a sentence into passive voice, at first you have to find out subject, then object and tense. For making passive mood, you have to find out, mention three items: subject, object and tense. You know, here subject I, and here subject my mother, and last one here subject we, and object, here object a song, and here object rice, last one here object football. Here subject, this is object, this is subject, this is object, this is subject, and this is object. I think you also know these three sentences are in present indefinite tense, because here after subject we can see verb 1. When you can see in a sentence after subject verb will be verb 1, that sentence will be present indefinite tense. Mind it, subject plus verb 1, subject plus verb 1, verb 1, that means present form of verb. That sentence will be present indefinite tense. Okay, dear student, here we find out subject, object and tense. Now we have to know the structure according to present indefinite tense for making active to passive voice. So, dear student, now I am going to write down the structure on making active to passive voice according to present indefinite tense. Please write down the structure on your khata. Okay? Okay, dear student, here the structure for making passive mood for the present indefinite tense. First one, you have to write down object into subject. That means object will be subject. Then according to tense, you have to use auxiliary verb. Then you have to write down verb 3 form. Then write down preposition by, and last one subject into object. That means subject will be changed object. Okay, you also have to mind that for present indefinite tense, for making passive mood, you have to use auxiliary verb am or is or are. For only present indefinite tense, you have to use auxiliary verb am, is, are. Okay. Now we will try to make passive mood first one. Okay. According to structure, we have to write down object into subject. So you have to first time a song. Okay. Then here mention auxiliary verb. Here according to subject, you have to use auxiliary verb is. Then you have to use verb 3 form. That means sang, the past participle form of sing verb. Then preposition by, and then subject into object. Here subject I, objective form is me. Okay. Now full sentence is a song is sung by me. Okay, dear student, in this way now we will try the second one. Here also object rise. So first time write down rise. Then auxiliary verb will be is. Then verb 3 cooked. Then preposition by, and last one subject into object, my mother. Okay. In this way we try to solve last one. Here object football, and auxiliary verb will be is. Then verb 3 form played. Then preposition by, and subject will be into objective form. That means us. Okay. I think, dear student, you have understood this item on present indefinite tense for making active to passive mood. Now, dear student, we will discuss on negative form on present indefinite tense. Here mention two sentences. First one, Arif does not write a letter. Here the sentence in negative form. Last one also we can see do not. So this is also negative sense. If the sentence negative sense, for making passive mode you have to add negative word after auxiliary verb. The negative word will be placed after auxiliary verb. Suppose here object a letter, and helping verb will be is. Here negative word not, so not will be this position. The letter is not. Then verb 3 form written. Then subject will be object by Arif. Okay. In this way we will try second one. Here object, the poor, and helping verb will be are, not will be next position, and verb 3 hated, preposition by, last one subject into object, that means us. Okay, dear student, we discuss on negative sense. Now dear student, I am going to next rules. Dear student, here mention two sentence, present continuous tense, because you know here after subject used helping verb am, then adding ing with verb. When you can see in a sentence helping verb am or is or are plus verb plus ing. Again, when you can see in a sentence am, is, are plus verb plus ing, that sentence will be present continuous tense. So here also we can see subject, helping verb are, and verb plus ing. So this one also present continuous tense. You also know here subject I, and here object rice, and here also subject we, and here object TV. Okay, dear student, if the sentence present continuous tense, the structure will be, you know, the mentioned two sentence is present continuous tense. So for making passive mood, you have to use the mentioned structure, which I write down on the board. Please write down on your khata. Dear student, this structure for present continuous tense for making passive mood. First time you have to write down object into subject, then auxiliary verb plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus subject into object. Here also I can mention that auxiliary verb, that means for present form am, is, are. Okay, so according to structure, this sentence will be for passive mood. Object, here subject, then auxiliary verb is for continuous, being, then verb 3 form, that means eaten, plus preposition by plus subject will be object. Here subject I, that means will be me. Rice is being eaten by me. In this way, my dear student, we can solve the last one sentence. Okay, you have to first time write down TV, then auxiliary verb is, then for continuous you have to write down being, then verb 3 form, watched. Then preposition by, and last position will be subject into object, that is us. Okay, dear student, here also when the sentence will be negative sense, you have to write down the negative word after auxiliary verb. Okay, dear student, I hope you understand my mentioned topics. Dear student, stay at home and be safe. May Allah bless you. Okay, thanks all.